Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty Secret by Samira. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm gonna share with you Cosmotrin cream review. I hope this video is helpful to all. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share with your family and friends. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, I'm saying that how is the packaging? The Cosmotrin cream comes in a small tube packaging, and the consistency is very white and thick in consistency, and the cream is very helpful for acne prone skin types. Cosmotrin is a form of vitamin A that is used to treat acne, which appears as spots or pimples on your face, chest, or back. It also helps to smooth rough facial skin and to reduce fine lines, wrinkles on the skin. Cosmotrin reduces excessive oil production of the skin. Ideally, a pinpoint application at night time is recommended for the duration prescribed by your doctor. The amount you need and for how long you need to take it will depend on what you are being treated for. You should normally wash and dry the affected area before applying a thin layer of this medicine. Follow your doctor's instructions. You should not apply it to damaged or broken skin and avoid contact with your mouth, eyes, and nose. It may take several weeks for your symptoms to improve, but keep using it regularly to get the most benefit. Consult your doctor again if you do not notice any improvement after a few weeks. Using more medicine or applying it more often than prescribed will not make it work any faster and may increase the side effects. The most common side effects include irritation, dryness, and redness of the skin. They are usually mild and improve as your body gets used to the medicine. Drink plenty of water and use moisturizer as it may lead to dryness of the mouth, lips, and eyes. Let your doctor know if the side effects bother you or do not go away. Serious side effects with this medicine are rare. This medicine may make you more sensitive to sunlight, so you should limit exposure to the sun if possible. It may make your skin more fragile. It is advised not to have any waxing, hair removal, or laser treatments during treatment. Pregnant women or women who are planning to get pregnant should not use this medicine as it can lead to the birth defects. So the use of Cosmotrin is acne, and the side effects of Cosmotrin, the very common, and the side effects of this product is skin redness, skin irritation, dry skin, dry lips, pale red skin, increased sensitivity to light. So now I'm saying that how to use this product. This medicine is for external use only. Use it in the dose and duration as advised by your doctor. Check the level for directions before use. Clean and dry the affected area and apply the gel. Wash your hands after applying unless hands are the affected area. So now I'm saying that what if you forget the take the Cosmotrin. If you miss a dose of Cosmotrin, take it as soon as possible. However, if it is almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and go back to your regular schedule. Do not double the dose. So now I'm saying that some quick tips. You have been prescribed Cosmotrin for the treatment of acne. Clean the affected area with water and a non-medicated soap. Let it dry for 20 to 30 minutes before applying Cosmotrin. It may increase the severity of these spots or pimples in the first few weeks of use. Continue using it as prescribed by your doctor. It may cause a stinging sensation or a feeling of warmth when you first start using it. Inform your doctor if this persists. Avoid exposure to sunlight while using Cosmotrin as it increases the sensitivity of your skin. Use protective measures such as sunscreen. Avoid face waxing, laser treatment while using this medicine. So yeah, thanks for watching this video.